Now in this video we will going to take up one more part in plumber block, that is part number 2, that is the cap. How to do the solid model by using the Autodesk Fusion 360. So to do that, so here this is the top view and this is the front view. So here first I need to start from the top view. I will create this profile and I will go to extrude to a depth of 10 mm. Since this is the top view, so I will going to take that in a top plane. So to do that, first I will go for create a sketch. I will take the top view reference. Okay, now I will draw a line from here onto this. Okay, then I will go for offset 18 and then the overall distance is for total distance is for radius 43. Okay, so that is 86. So to do that I will go for offset. Command is offset, take the two sides, the distance is 18, that is 36. Okay, now I will create a circle of from this. What is the diameter? Diameter is 86. Okay, now I will trim these portions. These extra portion I will going to trim. So now I created the oblong hole, oblong slot or the profile which we want to create. Then go to select this and remove this portion. Now we have the initial model. What is your depth? Which is 10 mm. So to do that I will go for finish sketch and then go to create and take the distance as 10 mm up. Okay, so now we have the first model for this. Once you do that, now we will go for this bottom portion which I want to create a 12 mm by 12 mm depth by 44 mm and to a width of 36. So to do that I will go for create. I will take the sketch, click on this and now I will go for line, select some arbitrary line and you create this line and then I will take the line and I will take it to the bottom and now I will go for dimension, that is distance. Select dimension between this line and this line. What is the distance I want? It is 22 from this side. Take 22, enter. Similarly from this side I want from this to this I want it as 44, enter. Now I will create one more line at some distance. Okay, then I will go for distance, create distance, sketch dimension between this and this. The distance is 12. Distance is 12. Okay, now I want to trim this extra portion. So to do that I'll go for trim, Control Z. Then I want to create a line from end point to this. Okay, similarly from here I will going to create a line. Okay, now we go for trim option, trim this portion and this portion. Once you do that you go to select this center and you delete this. Now we have finish sketch and then go to extrude, select this portion, take the distance as minus 36. Take the distance as minus 36. Okay. Now we have this portion. Once you do that, now we want to create, go to create sketch, click on this portion. Now I will go for creating this portion here, this radius. So to do that, I will go for line. So go to line, create one line from here to here of any length. Then go to offset, take the distance as, select this line, and the distance is 6 mm. So you give distance as 6. Okay. Then go to circle, take this intersection. So what is the diameter you want? See, the diameter, that is radius, is 36. So that means you want 72. 72. Then go to line, take this intersection point to this intersection point. Then go to trim this portion and this portion, similarly this portion. Then you delete, go to select this line and you delete it, and you delete this portion also. Okay. Now you go to finish sketch. So click on extrude, you give the distance as minus 36. Okay. Okay. Now I want to create the hole now. So since I want to create a hole, I need to have a flat edge. So here, so this distance, here we know it is 44. So 44 means it is 31. So it is from here, it is again 44 and 31. So to do that, I will go for create. I will go for a hole, select on this hole. Okay. Now I need to give the dimensions for this. So I will select this as the one reference. What is the distance I want? It is 18 from here. Then I want to have a the distance of what is the diameter you want. The diameter what I want is 10.5. So you take this diameter is 10.5. The distance is through all. Okay. Then I need to give the dimension with reference to the sketch. So to do that, I will take it to some distance. Now I want to give the distance with reference to this. So can I give the dimension with reference to this? Yes. So the distance is from this 22 plus that is 22 minus 31. So that means 9 mm. I want to give the distance as 9 mm here. So I will give 9 mm. Sorry, this is the distance is 18. Okay, with reference to this, I want to give 9 mm. Okay, now I will say OK to this. So now the hole has been created. So to this hole, I want to create a mirror. So to do that, I will go for modify, or can I go to create mirror. So you want to go for a feature, so you select this feature. Okay, then I want to select the mirror plane with reference to this, and I will say okay. So this one has been created. Now I want to create one more. So to create again I want to create a sketch. So go to this sketch. Now from here what I want is I want to create this hole of radius 19 at a distance of 6 mm from the downward direction. So to do that I will go for a line command, draw a line from here to here, then go to offset, take the distance as, select this and give the distance as 6 mm. So OK, then go to circle, take the intersection point of this. What is the radius you want? Radius is 19. So I want radius is 19 means 38. Okay. Now you go to select and you select this and you delete this. Okay. Then you delete this line. Then delete this line. Delete this line and then go to finish sketch, and now you go to select, then go to cut, then go to distance through all. Okay, click on OK now. So once you create this portion, now I want to create this hole, that is this relief what I need to do. So to do that I will go for a sketch, create a sketch from here on this plane and go to circle and take the center point. You take the cursor to the center point. What is the radius you want? The radius is 12. So you take the radius is 12, that means you want 24. Then you take the intersection point of these two, intersection point of this, and go to trim portion, this portion and this portion. Then I will go to finish sketch, and now I want to extrude. Select this portion, then I want to cut it. I will say the distance is 15. Okay, cut it. So this is how we will be able to remove this portion. Now I want to mirror the same thing onto the other side. So to do that I will go for OK. Then I will go for mirror. Click on the feature, which is that feature, that is this feature, and say select the mirror plane with reference to this and say OK. So now this portion is also removed. Now I need to go for the center hole which I want to create now. So to do this, so I will go for create sketch. So I want to come to this. So now I will take the center of this. Now I will go for line command, draw a line from this center onto this side. Okay. Then go to line, take intersection of this and draw a horizontal line. Okay. Then go to offset. What is the distance? 6 mm. So go to offset, take the distance as you select this line, take the distance as 3 mm. Minus 3 on this side. Okay. Then go to offset, take the distance as 10, select this line, distance as 10 mm down, so take minus 10. Okay. Then you come down to line, take the intersection point and you take this angle. Okay. Then go to offset, take the distance as select this line and offset distance as 1.5, minus 1.5. Okay. Now I want to go to zoom window. Okay, now I will have a line command, draw a line from endpoint to this endpoint. Okay, then I will going to have a sketch dimension. This line and this angle will be 30 degrees. Okay, now we will have trim this portion, and then here I will take a line command and draw one more line at the some distance above. Okay, now I will delete this line which is not required. I need to take the reference of that is the reason why I have taken that. Then I will go for a trim this portion. Now I will go to select this line and I will delete. Then I will go for a trim this line. Okay, then I will trim this portion, then this portion, then this portion. Okay, similarly this portion, then I will delete this, then I will delete this. It's not there. So this is the profile what I want. Then I will go for finish sketch. Okay, now I will come down to 3 dimension. Then I will go for surface. Profile has been selected. Then I will select this axis. Okay, fully we are going to remove this. So this portion is been removed. Now if you try to see this portion, which you can see, the entire thing has been completed. Now this is how we will be able to create a part modeling of a cap. Once you do that, now what is this material? This is again cast iron. So go to this, again come down to modify, go to physical material, then come down to metal. In this iron cast, you take iron cast, and by holding the iron cast part, you bring it and place it on the part model. And once you do that, you say close. Then come down to bodies, right click on this, create component from bodies. Once you do that, then you have one component you are going to get, create, right click, create on properties. Then it will comes to component 1. So here the part number is component 2 or part number 2, component 2. Part name is cap. Then what is the description? It is the second part. Then say close. Once you do that, now you go for file and now you save this. Once you save this, again it will going to ask for the name of the part. I will say cap. Where you want to locate, the locate is Plummer _ block. I will going to save this. Once you do that, that part will going to be saved and it will be uploaded here. Now this is how we will be able to create the part model of a cap in Plummer block. Thank you.